Today we will discuss TS IPE 2019 very short answer type questions. In IPE exams, very short answer type questions are very important because to score 75 by 75 they are only very important because there is no choice. Let us see TS 2019 May 1B paper. Yes, question number 1. It is a question from straight lines. Find the equation of the line which makes an angle 60 degrees with the positive x-axis measured in counterclockwise, that is anti-clockwise direction, and passing through the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Given that the line is passing through the point 1 comma 2 and its angle of inclination is given 60 degrees. To find the equation of this line, so here inclination of the line is given 60 degrees. Therefore we can find the slope of the line. Slope of the line m is equal to tan 60 tan theta, and tan 60 is root 3. Slope of the line is root 3. Line is passing through 1 comma 2. Therefore, the equation of the line can be found using point slope form. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Yes, this is the point and the slope is root 3. Y minus y1, m is root 3. X minus x1 is 1. This is the line. We shall simplify this and we will write in the general form. Root 3x minus y plus 2 minus root 3 equal to 0. This is equation of the required line. Yes, question number 2. Find the value of P if the two lines are mutually perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular if and only if their product of their slopes is minus 1. I will write the slope of first line. When equation is given, what is slope? Minus a by b. For first line, minus a by b is 3 by 7. Slope of second line, m2 equal to minus a by b. A is 7 and b is minus p. Minus into minus plus. This is 7 by p. So here lines are perpendicular to each other. Lines are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, product of slopes is minus 1. You take the product. m1 is minus 3 by 7. m2 is 7 by p is equal to minus 1. I can cut minus also 7 and 7. Then we have 3 by p equal to 1 implies p is equal to 3. This is the value of p. This can be also done in other method. Yes, here in this question what is given? The lines are perpendicular to each other. The lines are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, we have a condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. So, first line is a1x b1y c1z, a2x b2y plus c2. a1 a2, that means 3 into 7 plus b1 b2, b is 7 and b2 is minus p equal to 0. So what is this? 21 minus 7p. I will write on other side. This implies p is equal to 21 by 7. Therefore p is equal to 3. So this is the p value. Right. Question number 3. This question is from coordinate system 3D. Find the distance between the midpoint of line segment AB and this point. So this is line segment AB. Say this is line segment AB and given point is this. Capital P 3 comma minus 1 comma 2. Asked distance between midpoint of AB and this distance is to be find. Therefore, to find that, I will write the midpoint of AB. We will calculate midpoint of AB. How to get midpoint? X1 plus X2 by 2, 6 minus 2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2, Z1 plus Z2 by 2. Yes, on simplifying, this 4 by 2 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1, minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. So this is the midpoint of AB, 2 comma 1 comma minus 1. Therefore, the required distance is equal to, asked distance between midpoint of AB and this point. We will find that distance. Root over x2 minus x1 whole square, 3 minus 2 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Yes, this is root over 3 minus 2, 1, 1 square is 1, minus 2 whole square is 4, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 square is 9. Therefore, the required distance is root 14 units. Next question number 4. This question is from 3D planes. Find the angle between the two planes. What is angle between two planes? Angle between two planes is defined as angle between their normals. Angle between two planes is angle between their normals. So if equation of a plane is given, then xyz coefficients will be denoting drs of normal. So drs of normal of first plane A1, B1, C1, they are what? 1 comma 2 comma 2. Drs of the normal of second plane A2, B2, C2, they are 3 comma 3 comma 2. These are drs of normals. Angle between the normals only, angle between the planes. So for cos theta we have A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 whole divided by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. We will substitute the values. A1 A2 is 3, B1 B2 is 6, C1 C2 is 4 by root over A1 square B1 square C1 square 1 plus 4 plus 9. A2 square B2 square C2 square 9 plus 9 plus 4. Therefore, what is this? 13 divided by, here 1 plus 4 plus 4 9. Root 9 is 3. 3 into root 22. Cos theta has come this much. Therefore, angle theta equal to cos inverse of 13 divided by 3 root 22. This is the angle between the normals. This angle only angle between the planes. Right. Next question, question number 5. Find the left hand limit and right hand limit of the function f of x at the point x equal to 2. You please see the function f of x is given by mod x minus 2 by x minus 2. Here in the numerator mod is there. So mod function is a piecewise function. It is a dual function. This function, this mod x minus 2 will have a break at 2. When this inner value is 0, there it will have break. So inner value is 0 at x equal to 2. We are finding limit also at x equal to 2. Therefore this will have a break at 2. Since it has break at 2, we should find left limit and right limit. So I am finding left hand limit LHL. Left hand limit means limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. Yes, this is what limit x tends to 2 minus. X tends to 2 minus means x is fractionally less than 2. X is fractionally less than 2. Fractionally less than 2 means 1.99 something. So this implies x minus 2 will be less than 0. Since x minus 2 is less than 0, mod x minus 2 will be minus of x minus 2. Divided by, in the denominator x minus 2 is there. I can cut x minus 2, x minus 2. Now we will have only minus 1, which is a constant number. Limit of a constant number is that number itself. Therefore this is left hand limit. And we will find right hand limit. Right hand limit at 2. That means limit extends to 2 plus f of x. X is tending to 2 plus means x is fractionally greater than 2. That means x minus 2 is greater than 0. Therefore this is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. This is f of x. In the second case, x minus 2. This inner number is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then mod value is positive, x minus 2 only, divided by x minus 2. X minus 2, x minus 2 gets cancelled. We have what? 1. 1 is a constant number, therefore its limit value is 1. Therefore left hand limit at x equal to 2 is minus 1, right hand limit is plus 1. Next, question number 6. Compute the limit. It is a limit problem. Here x is tending to infinity. If you write the limit in that, you will get infinity by infinity, which is indeterminate form. So we will proceed as limit extends to infinity. So in the numerator, denominator, two functions, two expressions are there. Here highest term is x square, here also x square. Therefore taking x square common in the numerator and denominator. 1 plus 5 by x plus 2 divided by x square. I took x square common. Here also you take x square common. 2 minus 5 by x plus 1 by x square. So I can cut this common factor. So here x is tending to infinity. When x is tending to infinity, we have 1 by x tends to 0. Also some constant by x also tends to 0. Therefore, if I substitute the limit, 1 is a constant number. 5 by x. 5 by, when x is tending to infinity, something by infinity is 0. Here also x is tending to infinity, something by infinity is 0. 2 minus 5 by infinity 0, something by infinity 0. Therefore, the limit value is 1 by 2. Next, question number 7. Find the derivative of this function. This question is from differentiation. Asked derivative of this. Therefore, differentiating with respect to x. F dash x is equal to 5 sin x. 5 into sin x derivative is cos x. Very simple. Plus d by dx of this. So here there are two functions. Therefore, we should apply uv. So what is uv? U into v dash. V dash means log x derivative 1 by x plus u v into u dash, that is log x into e power x derivative is e power x. Therefore, it is 5 into cos x. E power x can be taken common. Then we have 1 by x plus log x. This is the derivative. Next question, number 8. Also from differentiation chapter, if x is equal to e power sin hy, then find dy by dx. So x is equal to e power sin hy. You can differentiate directly or you can take logarithm on both sides. So taking logarithm on both sides to the base e, then we will have log x to the base e. If I take logarithm here, log of e power sin hy, so this implies log x is equal to, this power becomes coefficient, log e will be there, log e to the base e is 1. Now simplification is over, so simply you can differentiate this with respect to x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. Hyperbolic function sin hy derivative is cos hy. We are differentiating with respect to x, therefore we will get dy by dx. To find dy by dx, so dy by dx is equal to, write cos x this side, it divides 1 by x into cos of hy. This is dy by dx. Next, question number 9. Find delta y and dy for this function when x equal to 10, delta x equal to 0.1. This question is from errors and approximations. First we will find delta y. So delta y is f of x plus delta x minus f of x. What is f of x plus delta x? This function y is nothing but f of x. So in place of x you write x plus delta x. Plus x is there. X is what? X plus delta x. This is f of x plus delta x. Minus f of x is minus x square minus x. Let us simplify. This is x square a plus b whole square. Delta x whole square plus 2ab, 2x into delta x plus x plus delta x minus x square minus x. So minus x plus x and minus x square plus x square gets cancelled. All the terms they have delta x. I will take delta x common. Then we have delta x plus 2x and 1. Now we will substitute the values. Delta x is 0.1. And what is this? X is 10, no, 10 into 2, 20, 21, 21 plus 0.1, so 21.1. So multiply these two, 2, 1, 1. So 1.1 point, so point will come here. Therefore delta y is 2.11. Also asked delta y. Delta y is called differential of y, which is equal to dy by dx into delta x. Dy by dx means derivative of y. Its derivative is 2x plus 1 into delta x. Put the values. X equal to 10, 20 plus 1, 21 into this is what? 0.1. Multiply this. This will be 2.1. Delta y is 2.11, dy is 2.1. Next, question number 10. This question is from mean values theorems. Verify Rolle's theorem for this function on the closed interval this. The given function is a polynomial function. So here we write, since every polynomial function every polynomial function is continuous and differentiable on R. This is a polynomial function. Every polynomial function is continuous as well as differentiable in its domain, which is R. So this is a polynomial function. So f of x is a polynomial function. F of x is a polynomial function. Therefore, it is also continuous on R. Since it is continuous on R, what is this? It is a subset of R. Therefore, f of x is continuous on closed interval -1 to 1, and f of x is differentiable. It is differentiable on R. Since it is differentiable on R, it is differentiable everywhere on real numbers. So in Rolle's theorem, it should be differentiable on the open interval. You can take. Next, f of -1 value. Here interval is AB, where A is -1, B is 1. F of -1, you put -1 here. -1 whole square -1. -1 whole square is 1 only, 1 minus 1, 0. Next, upper limit, f of 1, f of b. It is also x square -1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, f of -1 is equal to f of +1. Three conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. Now, there should be a C value. There should be a C value such that f dash of C equal to 0. We will take f dash of C equal to 0. What is f dash x? It is 2x. F dash of C is 2c. 2c equal to 0 implies C is equal to 0 by 2, 0. So clearly it belongs to open interval -1, 1. There should be at least one C in this interval we obtained. That's all. Therefore, Rolle's theorem is verified. Rolle's theorem is verified. That's all.